Eddie from Eddie's Corner, part of Gideon's Creations. Today I'm going to show you how to draw Spider-Man. He's going to look like this. So we start with the head. Now we're going to make the lines, the webs. We're going to have webs right here. And one right here. Now we're going to make more of the, more lines. First we're going to make a circle right here. Then we're going to make one line here, here, and here. Now we're gonna make the webs. Now we're gonna make the shoulder. I want to do it kind of like right here because he's gonna be swinging on his web. Now we're gonna make his arm back here. Make a web shooter. And now we're gonna make his fingers. Then we're gonna that. And now we're gonna make the other side. And now we're gonna make this. Make his chest. Make his foot. Now we're gonna make his other leg. And now we're gonna make his web. You can make the web however you want. I'm just gonna do it this way. Try and make the line as skinny as you can, but not too skinny so you can actually color it in. Although it's gonna be white. You can make them black if you want at the end, if you like that type more. We're gonna make a spider. We're gonna make his, well, we're just gonna make something right here. And we're gonna make little tiny dingy. There, that. That. This right here. And now we're gonna make the rest of the lines. And now I'm gonna make the lines on his hands. Now I'm gonna make the lines on his, oh, I forgot. Here, right here. And now we're gonna make it on this leg. Actually, first let's do this. We'll do this. And then do that. Now we're gonna make the lines out here. Let's do this, this, and right here. Then we're gonna Now we're gonna make them on this hand. Wait, first. Now we're gonna make it on this hand. Now we're gonna make it on this arm. Now we're gonna make it right here. Here. That for now. This. Okay, now we're gonna do this, then this, and now we're gonna make some more, not lines, just like we're gonna make lines but not webs. And this. And now we're going to color it in. Hope you like this video, and remember there are other videos like these on YouTube that you can check out, and there are other drawing videos that you can draw. Make sure to subscribe, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Good. God bless. Bye.